Hey everybody, this is Eric with PC Mag, and we're taking a quick look at the Fitbit Ace LTE. This is a new wearable for children ages 7 and up. It comes with 4G connectivity built in. It's not a smartwatch and it's not a fitness tracker. It's a gamified activity band that includes smartwatch features such as messaging, phone calls, and health tracking. You can see the basic home screen here. This green band is your noodle, which is a way to track your activity throughout the day. The device does not count just steps, for example, but also kid-specific activities. You can scroll through the user interface to find games, find out how you've progressed through some of your activities, as well as access messaging. The device has a couple of buttons here on the right side. The bottom button is specifically for gaming, and the top button is for device navigation. Of course, it's a touchscreen and has sensors on the bottom so that it will monitor health stats. You can get all sorts of different colored bands. These bands come with different characters that match their color. These characters, called EGs, will show up on the device screen. The Fitbit Ace LTE costs $229.99. The monthly service plan is $9.99, and that includes unlimited calls, text, and data usage. And the optional noodle bands, which introduce a new activity and character, are $34.99.